Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily unlike Reels on Facebook app. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up Facebook app. Then hit Add menu icon, and among these shortcuts hit Add Reels. That opens up your Reels feed. You can swipe up to watch suggested Reels, but if you want to unlike some Reels that you liked before, you should tap right here at your profile page. On that screen you can switch between My Reels and Liked Reels, and that's where you are able to unlike Reels. I got 3 Reels liked, and I can open up any of them. As you can see, thumb up button is highlighted. You can just tap on that to unlike that reel, and then you can move on back to that page. As you can see, now I got just 2 liked reels. So in the same way you can unlike as much reels as you want. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Facebook tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.